Hey, welcome to Classic Susan. Wow, my hair is a hot mess. Let me... Woo, my hair is really a hot mess. Okay, there we go. Okay, there. Great. This is something I forgot I have a subscription to, and that's the Walmart Beauty Box. This, when it first came out, was really pretty good. But this is like my third box and it's already repeating itself, so I might cancel this. I don't know. It's $5 every season. I don't know. Here's what it looks like when you first open it up. This is a repeat from the last one. How do I know? Because I can remember. Am I mad at this? No, I like this stuff. You know, after you wash your hair and condition it, you apply to damp hair from mid-length all the way to the ends, right? And then you rinse it out and it just leaves your hair shiny and beautiful. I'm getting ready to color my hair, so I have done a Moroccan oil treatment and moisturizing mask, and probably I'll go get it done tomorrow and get it colored. So if my hair suddenly looks dramatically different in the next set of videos, you'll know why. I'm trying to decide if I want to go like summer blonde or if I want to keep my comfortable mousy brown. I kind of like my comfortable mousy browns, but this is what this looks like. They're just treatment shots and they repair damage. They're pretty good. Am I mad at that? No, because I think they're like $2.50 a piece for these shots. Okay, I love the smell of Dove hairspray. I love the smell of Dove dry shampoo. They have a new scent of dry shampoo. Oh my gosh. If I like this, I am totally going out and buying a full size. Please say they put a coupon in here. Oh, this smells... Okay, it's not the overpoweringly sweet coconut scent that you would think it would be. This is actually, it smells like fresh cut coconut. If you've ever cracked your own coconut and smelled the water, that's what this smells like. Yummy, yum, 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 yum. Okay, that's pretty cool. Oh, okay. This is pretty cool, actually. This is the Salon Perfect Ready, Set, Go Brow Kit, and it's got everything you can think of in here. It has a spoolie and a product brush, brow brush. I'm not gonna give this away. I know I'm not. So I will just open it up and show you what it's all about. It's pretty darn cool, actually. This has a soft brush. It is not a stiff brush because it's a powder, and I will put some more, even though I have eye pencil on. I will definitely use some more because I'm all about the use. If I can ever get it out of the packaging, that is. Oh my gosh. They make it like Fort Knox to get into this stuff. Well, maybe not Fort Knox, but pretty darn close. Okay. It's just really, really stuck in there. Okay, come on. it's got a little bit of a texture to the package. That's why it's not like flying through. So it's custom blend, 3 brow shades, and 1 illuminating highlighter. Okay, let me just tell you, this is the bomb diggity. I don't know how much this retails for, but this is the bomb diggity. How is it cool that I got it in a box? It's actually customizable. I can make it as cool as I want, as warm as I want. This is awesome. So this is actually a brow grooming pencil. This is actually a wax pencil. It's got a built-in sharpener in the lid. This is cool. This is cool. I like this because then I don't have to dip into a wax. I can boop, 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 and spoolie my wax up. Awesome. So, and it has a really soft, mini, teeny, tiny brush, which I'm not mad at. I am dipping into this one and this one. And it does have a small, okay, not mad at it at all. It actually, y'all are probably too young to remember this, but I hope my audience remembers. Do you remember Maybelline had that brow powder? That's what I learned to do my brows on, is brow powder. So this reminds me a lot of that. And the nice thing about a brow powder is it's very soft focus. You don't have to worry about making a mistake. See that? I look like I have full nice brows again. This is like a woman over 40's best friend here. And it does have a brow illuminator. So if you make a mistake up here, gone. Gone. It's absolutely a great skin shade. Look at those. You have one warm brown and you have 2 cool. That's good. That is definitely, this is the nicest little thing in the box. I was kind of upset that I got a repeat right off the bat, but Salon Perfect Ready, Set, Go Brow Kit. That's just awesome. Okay, let's get into this $5 box. Some more. Sorry. Okay, yum, yum. So this is collagen and peptides drink. You put this, you mix it either in water or your smoothie in the morning. It's got collagen and peptides and all those good things that your body needs. Yum, yum. I like these, and this is grass-fed and pasture-raised with biotin. 18 amino acids, 18 grams of protein, easy to digest. This is unflavored. You can mix this with anything you want. Do I like that? Yes, because I will definitely just take these and put these in a bag and take them with me in case I'm somewhere and I can only like have some juice and whatever in the morning. Because you know there are certain places that you just absolutely, positively don't want to eat or drink anything there. Okay. Su Ai. It's a purifying black charcoal mask. As much as I love the brand, I don't use charcoal masks. I think they're a little too drying. This one says it's hydrating, but no. If I want to make a charcoal mask, I make it myself with activated charcoal that I purchased in an organic way so that I know where it's sourced from. I know these are supposed to be great, but whatever. This is not my bag. This will be going into the giveaway box. And a cute little makeup bag. You know, makeup bags are awesome. You can use them with anything. So what do I think? I think the brow products alone made the whole box worth it. Will I use the Pantene? Yes. Will I use the Dove? Yes. Am I disappointed? Yeah, I wanted a coupon for that Dove. Usually this thing is just like chock full of coupons for you to try all the stuff that's in the box. But anyway, what do you expect? It's $5 every season, and do I think it's worth it? Yeah, because you get random stuff that you wouldn't think that you would need or use, and it allows you to try something that you normally wouldn't. It's just $5. It's just $5. The value of this is probably more like 7 or 8. I don't know. I don't know how much this brow thing is worth, but that is awesome. A spoolie. Woo woo. I mean, I'm very impressed with that brow product. I am very, very impressed with that brow product. It's probably incredibly cheap. It's probably like $7, $10, something like that. Definitely worth it. Thank you, Walmart. This is fabulous. I guess I won't be canceling you because I got more makeup products in my Walmart box this month than I did in my Ipsy bag that I pay twice for. Yeah, twice the amount, more makeup in here. Go figure. Anyway, sorry, my gripe, my moment. Just remember, it's makeup. If you would like to try the Walmart box, go right ahead. It's a give or take. Yeah, good luck with that. So just remember this, you are loved, and wow, do I have some bold brows now. I'm gonna have to put on some eyeshadow to counteract these brows because they are dark. Anyway, thank you so much. You have a wonderful and blessed day. Just remember, you are absolutely loved. If you like my channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you want to hear when I post new videos, ding that bell. Awesome. Have a beautiful, beautiful day. You are loved. Mwah. Bye.